All right, so one of the things we are actually gonna do out here is a 3D scan of this green. It's gonna look really cool, and it's actually really neat because you can actually do it from your phone. You don't need a drone, you don't need a 360 camera, you can actually just do this from your phone. And so I'm actually gonna set this up here and start capturing as we go out on this green. I'm actually gonna go ahead and hit start here, and truly all you do is you just kind of point your phone and it's gonna project what it's capturing as I'm going out here. And so you can see here on the screen what it actually looks like as I'm walking around and it's capturing these photos. And so down in that bottom left-hand corner, you're actually gonna see that it has a picture counter that it's doing, and it's showing how many pictures it's taking. And so really what I'm gonna do is just kind of zigzag and walk back and forth here as a part of this green and capture this whole area. And then what's gonna be really neat is that on the back end, we process all those images to kind of get an idea of this space as we can analyze those photos and process them all together. A lot of teams use this on a construction site for trenches or utility lines that they may wanna capture before really being able to go and cover up those, not fly a drone. And so that's what's kind of neat about that, is to be able to kind of just do it from your phone itself. So I'm gonna cover this whole green, I'm gonna kind of walk back and forth and get all these sand traps and get everything here, and then it's gonna process that up on DroneDeploy, and then we can see what that looks like in kind of a 3D view once it's all done processing. So this is gonna be probably about 1,000 photos that it's all gonna take from the DroneDeploy ground application, and it's gonna push that up into DroneDeploy, and then we're gonna process those and gonna get that 3D model as a response out of this. And so I'm really excited to kind of see how this turns out. I think it's gonna be really cool, and let's see once we kind of wrap this up.
Stay tuned, we'll catch you on the next one.